Recording. Now we are going to find the area of the cone. Now the base is how much? 40 centimeter in radius. Slant height is 20. That means this slope. Right?
Yeah. So 40 centimeters in radius, right? Right.
This is radius 40. Now,
So,
if you go look at the sheet, area of the base B is 5r square. Area of the base. Then 5RL, that's not given here. Maybe I have to go for other sheets. 3D shapes, cubes. Oh, yeah. This is given the volume. Okay. Surface area 5RL, 5R square, this one, right? Now, can you draw this cone first? See surface area SA, right? It is given this one, 5RL, 5R square. Now R is 40, L is 20, 5 is 3.14, right? Can you find it now? I write it here as surface area equal 5RL plus 5R square, right? I will email this sheet again to you. Maybe I haven't sent this one. Now,
did you just send me, or did you?
I will send it. I will send it tonight. 3.14. R is 40, right?
Yeah.
What is L?
Yeah, radius. But because the slant is 20 down.
Yeah, 20.
Then we have to do it all around that circle, right?
Yeah, that is 5RL is actually this length. Now, times this height. That coming the slope area. This one, right? 5R square is bottom circle. 5 mean again 3.14. R square means 40 square. Right? Then 40 square mean 40 times 40. It's a little bit calculation there. Maybe.
Oh wait, 40 times 40 is 800. No. 40 times 40, 1,600.
Yeah, times 3.14. Right? That is, you can write it. Did you write the first equation here? Did you draw the cone?
Yes.
Okay. Did you write 40 here, 20? Radius R 40. L is 20. You can write L this one. You can write this one R. Right? Then write down the equation, this one. Have you done that? You have to go by step, okay?
Yeah.
First draw the small diagram, put the values and equal R and L. Then go to the diagrams, write the equation. Then first part, this part, 3.14 times.
So 3.14 times 1,600, right?
That is this part. I'm talking this part.
The whole part. That part.
That will be 2,512.
2,500.
Plus this one. 3.14 times 1,600. $5,024.
So 512
Plus
plus
5024 2512.
024.
7536.
75. So is that the
Final answer.
okay? I'm just gonna write it. I'm just gonna put the steps down in my book.
Yeah.
So I know what to do next.
Yeah, this is sheet A, then you can do the sheet B yourself,